Hi, this is a quick video on the Vamson Floaty case for the GoPro Hero 8, 9, 10 and 11. When the Vamson case arrives, it arrives in this packet here or bag, and it says the words Vamson and a motto on there which is explore the world, and down here it says professional photography accessories. So you get the case itself in orange. They do make another colour which is yellow, so you can get it in yellow or orange. And you also get a extra large thumb screw, and it is an extra large thumb screw because that's your regular standard size thumb screw, and if I put it side by side you can see it's a larger thumb screw. Install the Vamson, I was going to say Samsung then. To install the Vamson case is quite easy. You get your GoPro camera, you take the fingers out. If it's the 9, 10 and 11, you take the fingers down and you place the camera through there. You slide the cameras through. Make sure that the surrounding edges are all aligned, and where the ports are, where the hole is for the shutter button is aligned. The hole for the fingers are through, and as you can see the fingers are there. You can't flatten the fingers back, it's meant to be like that. You have this groove cutter on either side, and that's to place your extra long thumb screw on, so that's why you get an extra long thumb screw, because of the size of the thickness of the case. And as you can see there's a hole here for the mode and the switch turn off and on button, and you can see a cutout here for your lens and for the screen. Now it is made of a kind of rubber stroke polystyrene case. This makes it easy to float and easy to see this in any body of water because of such of the bright colour. And it does offer some great protection for the camera. This is how it looks when you got the case on a selfie stick using the actual extra large thumb screw that it comes with the case. And this is why you need an extra large thumb screw, because of the case is so thick, so you can able to tighten your camera onto the mount with this extra large thumb screw. This is how the Vamson floats without a selfie stick in water. Now it can keep your camera afloat in water, as you can see. But a couple of things I did notice, I used a Zedo tripod legs, mini tripod legs, and I placed it in there. And I don't know if because of the depth of the bucket, it did seem to sink with it. Now this is my thoughts on the Vamson Floaty case for the GoPro Hero 8, 9, 10 and 11. If you want to make it double safe, and this is what I would do, I suggest that you connect this camera with this case to a floaty hand grip. This will make it double safe when taking it into any body of water. If you use this with a standard selfie stick, which is made out of either metal or aluminium, it will only bob just below the surface of the water. That's why it's suggested that it's in a bright colour. Now, depending how clear that body of water is, you will be able to see it and to fetch it. If it's very mucky or murky, you won't be able to see this even with this bright colour. So to me, if you're going to use cases like this near large bodies of water, I will also use a floaty hand grip to be double safe. Now I did state earlier on in the video that this is made out of a kind of rubber and polystyrene. It is actually made out of EVA, and that's what it's actually made out of. Now, there are some better ones than this. This is adequate, but there are some better ones made by, I think it's from GoPro, I think, make one. GoPro themselves have a floaty hand grip themselves, which is a bit more better than this, but they're more pricier than this. So you have to bear that in mind. But I'm going to say this again on repeat. Large bodies of water, to be really safe with this camera, it's a GoPro that you're using and you've paid a lot for it. I would connect this in conjunction with a floaty hand grip, which is dedicated to keep your camera afloat. So at least you've made yourself double safe by having not only a floaty case, but a floaty hand grip as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail on the item or the product, so when you get it, you know what to expect. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the channel. I'll be grateful for that, and I'll see you next time.